Steve Lessa here from the Parts Department at Vermeer North Atlantic. Got another discount for you guys this week. As you can see from yesterday's downpour, all that rain just had its way with our lot back here. Probably had its way with some of your job scheduling too. Probably some customers you're not going to go see today because it's kind of difficult to bring your machines onto your customers' lawns when it's all wet and soggy like this. It just scalps their yards up. So on days like this, it's good to think about maybe doing something else, maybe some preventative maintenance on your machines. And that's where that discount comes in that I mentioned just a second ago. So starting Monday, this coming Monday, May 3rd, Vermeer North Atlantic is bringing back our filter kit discount, where we give you all the filters for your machine plus the engine oil for 10% off of normal price. So that's everything that you need to freshen up your machine, all its filters and the engine oil for 10% off the top, which is really great. We know how busy you guys have been. Some of you have even told us that you're booked out till like November, which is just crazy. So you guys are running these machines really hard, and when you're running it that hard, it's really important that you stop at some point, put some TLC into your Vermeer machine. You got to stop and let your horse take a drink every once in a while. In this case, the horse is your Vermeer machine, and that drink is Rotella 1540. So come on down to Vermeer North Atlantic, take advantage of this filter kit discount. It's a little ray of sunshine on your next rainy, soggy day. You can send us a Facebook message. You can click the link in the description of this video if you want to send us an email, or you could just give us a good old-fashioned call and have us set your filter kit aside for you. If you're not local to us, we can even ship it to you. It would get to you the next business day. So that's all for today. Got some more good stuff coming next week. Till then, Steve Lessa here from the Parts Department at Vermeer North Atlantic. Thanks for watching.